We are inviting you to unravel its secrets and experience the fairy tale of this magical region with its fabulous chimneys and beautiful landscapes. Discover the culture of this delightful region and explore the underground cities. Visit the most famous valleys and take thousands of beautiful pictures that will become pleasant memories of your holiday in Turkey. Your tour starts early in the morning as we leave Antalya while it's still dark outside, traveling a few hundred kilometers towards central Turkey. The underground cities of Cappadocia are a completely unique feature of the region, which is actively explored to this day. The city goes deep underground, and the premises in it are divided into residential and domestic. You can book for a balloon flight in your hotel. The second day of our trip will be entirely devoted to the valleys of Cappadocia in the morning sun with a 60-feet hot air balloon. Let your imagination run wild in Devrit Valley and wander between the pillars of Monk Valley. The panorama of Göreme will spread before your eyes in all its charm. Here is the hidden heart of Cappadocia, which you have to find. The Valley of Pigeons will allow you to admire the empty houses of Uçazar, and the fortress itself will enchant you with impregnable vaults, which many have not managed to conquer. You seem to be on another planet. Here life is not at all like the one we are used to seeing in our everyday life. Don't miss this opportunity to explore the hidden secrets of Cappadocia.